Welcome back, and as you can see I'm not really playing well Market Minecraft. So yeah, I'm actually on a new flat world that I just created, and the new flat world is just called Dream, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is just show you something Dream can do. Like legit he can do it. Or maybe he can, he's just never done it on top of a video. You might notice when I get the block, but it's not the MLG water bucket. I will do that in the video, but I don't really know. I don't really know if Dream, no, I don't think he wanted to do this, or he just doesn't want to do it on a video, like literally. Like this is what I've been practicing so much, I literally can. Oh my god, let's go, bro. I've been practicing so much that literally I can do it anytime I want. Like literally. I think I'm gonna try the MLG after like few more tries. And let's see. What? There's no way I'm not dying in this video. Okay, let me go in survival to test it out though actually. If I die, then I don't know. Personal game mode survival. Boom boom boom. Bro. I forgot to get to the top of the tower. Will literally kill you shoot. Like, look. It's literally high. Super high. So now if I go into game mode survival. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. And I don't know what I'm going to do. Hey. Oh my god. At least I built it close to spawn. Let me just go to creative and put ladders. Ladders. I know I might be dumb, but yeah. What's the? This is the back now. This is. Okay, so let me just go into fly mode. Oh, this is very tall. No. Okay, now I'm gonna try it again, but if I die, like literally. So I'm gonna go into game mode survival. Game. Oh my god, I forgot to put slash. Game mode. Oopsies. Mode S. There we go. And now if I do this. Oh, let's go! That is actually so hard to do if you don't actually know. Okay, now I'm going to try the MLG water bucket. Slash give and water bucket, right? The water bucket. Why would I want a what? Lily. Okay, I'm just going to type the bucket. Bucket. There we go. Now I'm going to go to the top of this. I might actually get the water slow, but I can land it perfectly. I'm going to tell that. I can just land it perfectly. Hiya. Come on. What? Like legit, this is not fake, alright? I'm trying to actually try it, but this is kind of a dream, alright? You know why I named it? Cause well, this is everything Dream can do, but just one thing Dream can't do. Like just one single thing Dream can't do. So I'm gonna end the video after I do this MLG. Yeah. Let's go. So as I told, I'm gonna end the video. Peace.